Hi girls, welcome back to my channel Beautiful You. So today we are going to do review of my Lady Raga bag for the month of July 2016. Okay, so this is this month's bag that I have got. Blue color leather bag with white strip on it, written Lady Raga. It's a good quantity bag. I have taken the things out so that I can tell you what's the quantity. So this is the quantity that we have got. So the first product that I have got in this one's bag, it came in a mesh bag like this, and this is the product. This is Fuchsia Mint Cooler Skin Soother. So it contains aloe pump, mint leaves, peppermint essential oil. The price of this product is 225 rupees and it's a 60-gram full size product. You can see this. So the thing about this, let's smell it. Oh, it smells like peppermint. Yes, it does smell like peppermint. So this is the color, greenish in color, and it smells like Mentos actually, and it smells really good. So this is the first product that I have got in my Lady Raga bag. The second product that I have got, it also came in a mesh bag, and it's fuchsia green tea face and body scrub. This is the fact. This is the fuchsia. Okay, this is also 50-gram product and it is 225 rupees. So let's see how it looks. So it smells green tea, like green tea. Yes, it's light greenish in color, you can see, with some granules in it so that they can act as a scrub. The price of this is 225 rupees. The third thing that I have got in this month's Lady Raga bag is this. You can see very beautiful layered chain with stars in it, and it looks something like this. You can see, right? So it is going to look something like this. The price of this chain is 350 rupees and I love this. I really love this chain. The fourth product that I have got in my Lady Raga bag is this. This is Nado hot blue eyeliner pencil. This is going to be the color. So let me put it for you. So this is the color that I have got, light blue color, and I have put it on my eyes too if you are able to see it. So this is the color that I have got in this month's bag, and this is the its price is quite reasonable. It is only 199 rupees. So this is the fourth product that I have got. Okay, the fifth product that I have got is this, and what is this? Is a sponge that is for taking bath, and we use it every day, you know. But I have already got one at home, so I have not opened it, and its price is 145 rupees. So very thoughtful of Lady Raga to send us gifts that we can use in everyday life. So the sixth product is, yes, the sixth product is a surprise gift that they always send, and Lady Raga do like to pamper us. So this is the gift that I have got, and you will love it because I have loved it. See, just look at this. Very beautiful earrings. That's why I'm not wearing anything, so that I can tell you how it looks. So let's see. So these are the earrings that Lady Raga has sent for us, and see, they look pretty, they are pretty, and believe me, I really love Lady Raga bag, and they just make me happy whenever I get a bag of Lady Raga, and I feel, wow, I've got my bag, and I feel very happy about it. So these are the products that I have got in my Lady Raga bag for the month of July 2016. Hope you like my video. Please press the like button. Do subscribe to my channel because I really need your love and support. So please do it. Take care. Love you. Bye.